Hey guys, this is a video about the sliding lunge and also the long lunge, which are two movements that are very similar to each other, but with a subtle difference between the two. So I'm using a roller here, but most of the time people do this on a slider on a nice slippy surface like an AstroTurf. The roller is just a little bit more chaotic, but fulfills a similar function. So to start with, a sliding lunge, we are going to have the foot that's going to be our front foot grounded, the foot that's going to be our rear foot, our sliding foot on our slider and or roller, and we are simply going to go down into a lunge-like position, just like a normal lunge. We want roughly 90 degrees in both the front and the rear knee, and then we come back up there. This will likely be front leg dominant for most people, or rather, we want it to be front leg dominant, but it may be that lots of weight is going through the rear leg. But the intention eventually is to be able to take more load in the front leg so that we're nice and light on the back foot there, rather than like really crunching into the back foot and really relying on the slider and then having to really drag it in with lots of weight there. It wants to be nice and smooth and light. Now, that was a sliding lunge. A long lunge is similar but different, starts the same in that we go down to 90 degrees on each leg, and then we open out in the front knee. So I'm opening the angle there, and then to return, I have to pull myself forward again, very hammy in there, and then stand up tall. So it's almost an L shape, down and back, down and back, and then forward and up, like so. What we specifically are not doing with the back portion there is going down and then just pushing the back foot away while staying in the same place here and then bringing it in and up. We want the motion to come from the front leg. So down and then push back through that foot, and then the worst part, pull back forward before coming up tall there. It's pretty gnarly and pretty hard. So with a long lunge, you won't be able to or need to do as many reps as you would do with a sliding lunge. Enjoy.